to that location, right?
Before I went to, no, it's somewhere I wanted to establish an alibi, period, just to put me somewhere.
And you said that there were neighbors around when you left. You remember that testimony last week?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And which neighbors were those that you saw before you left to go and catch Fabio at this restaurant the defendant was sending him to?
I can't remember which ones it was. It was a.
So how would having your neighbors see you leave create an alibi if Fabio was murdered that night?
Well, they could see me there and go, oh, I remember him there.
As you're leaving, you said.
Well, they won't know at the exact time. They won't know the exact time. It's a gamble.
Okay. So your idea of an alibi is people seeing you leave going towards the location where you're going to kill somebody.
Or just seeing me, period.
Just seeing you.
You know, I mean, they don't know I'm going to kill someone. They don't know that.
So somehow by just seeing you leave, that would somehow create an alibi.
Possibly.
Is what you're thinking.
It would help. Possibly.
That would help. Okay. And which neighbors were those if you were so intent on creating an alibi?
I told you, I can't remember who it was. It was just, I can't remember who it was.
How long after Monica talked to you did you leave your apartment to go to what you said was a Chinese place?
Well, as soon as I figured out which one it was, because it's only two that I remember they go to.
And which two would those be?
The one you were talking about, I know the area, and the other one was the other place that me and Monica and her mother had the little lunch one time.
You had lunch with her mom?
Yes.
Okay.
And that was months before. So those are only two places I know of. I don't even know the name of the place. I really don't know the name of it. I just know where it was.
So you only knew of two?
The ones that they went to, yeah.
How did you know that Fabio wouldn't Google a place and go somewhere else without Monica telling you exactly where they were going?
Because I had a GPS on his car.
You had a GPS on his car. Okay. And last week, when you testified, you never mentioned GPS.
No, I didn't.
I'm going to check, Your Honor. He wasn't asked.
I'm sorry, I don't understand the objection. It's overruled. It's overruled.
No, I didn't tell you anything.
Oh no, you talked for a day and a half on direct exam.
Yeah, but
Right?
I didn't tell you about GPS because you didn't ask me.
Oh, okay. So now you put a GPS on his car.
It's been on his car.
Okay. When did you put a GPS on his car?
Months before.
When?
Months before.
Which car?
The truck and the Porsche.
And where did you do that?
Usually at the house.
I'm sorry?
Usually at his house on the Porsche.
What do you mean, usually at the house?
Because the truck is usually at my place.
Okay. So when you say usually, did you do this on more than one occasion on his
Yeah,
Porsche?
the batteries died. Yeah, I had to change it out.
Okay. So do you know how many months before the murder you put it on the Porsche?
It was shortly after he got the Porsche. I put it on the Porsche.
What month?
I can't remember. I don't remember offhand. I don't even remember when he got the Porsche, but I know.
Well, you said months. So I'm wondering which month.
I don't remember exactly.
Summer?
I don't remember exactly.
Fall? Winter?
I don't remember. Whenever he got the Porsche, probably a couple of weeks later.
And where did you purchase these GPS monitors from?
Well, the first set I bought from first one I bought from Amazon.
Okay.
That was for the truck.
Okay. And when did you purchase that one?
Way early, probably, I would guess March. Maybe, I'm guessing, I don't know.
March of 2016?
Yeah, I'm guessing March.
Okay.
I'm guessing. It's a guess. Please don't hold me to this. It's around that time frame.
Okay. And again, guessing, when did you put the monitor on the Porsche?
A couple of weeks after he got the Porsche, whenever he bought it.
Well, you said you guessed March was for the truck, so what month would have been the Porsche? Maybe November, October?
I just answered you. I don't know.
Okay. But you know about the truck, so that's
Yeah, I
why I'm
remember that.
asking you.
Yeah, I do remember that.
That one you remember?
Yeah, I do remember that for sure.
And how is it that you would monitor these GPS, whatever you bought and put on Fabio Sementilli's vehicles?
It had apps and it was online. It had apps.
It had an app.
I think it had an app or a window, one of the two.
An Apple window?
An app or a window, an internet window, a mobile window. You can access the system.
And which phone would that have been on? Or on a computer?
Probably the 6. You could do both. It was both. You could
So
do
you
both.
monitored him from your computer and you monitored
I
him
didn't
from
really
your
monitor
phone?
him. I let it alerts me, and I can monitor. I had the ability to monitor, but I used it to locate and to give me an alert when he came near the house or came near the job.
You mean to LA Fitness?
Yes.
So you're saying now to this jury that you put a GPS on his truck sometime in March of 2016, that you changed it whenever the battery would run out, so you could monitor his whereabouts.
So I can be alerted if he came near me.
Okay. And you also put a GPS at some point, unknown when, on his Porsche.
As a couple of weeks after he got the Porsche, so I'm sure you have the date when he got the Porsche.
Well, you said a couple months before, so is it weeks or is it months?
For the truck.
It's overruled.
For the truck, it was in March, and for the Porsche, it was whenever he got the Porsche, a couple of weeks later.
Okay.
Whatever that was. I don't remember. I don't have all the documents in front of me.
Okay. And so that night, did you show a photograph of the Porsche to, as you said on direct exam, to Austin, so he would know what the car would look like? Or did you just describe it to him?
I think I described it to him.
Describe the Porsche.
Yeah, I think it
What
was a
did
black.
you describe it as?
A black Porsche. It's probably going to be the only one in there.
In a shopping center, a strip mall.
Yeah, a little strip mall.
What else did you say about the Porsche?
What else is there to say?
Well, I'm asking you.
There's nothing else to say. It's a black Porsche.
Okay.
If-
And on your way to this strip mall, were you in communication with Monica?
I have been in communication with Monica usually all the time. So I don't know. I most likely I probably was, because I'm always in communication with her. Wait a minute, maybe I wasn't. Did I leave my phone home? I can't remember. I might have left my phone home. I can't remember.
Might have left your phone home.
I can't
Because you
remember.
didn't want to be tracked. You told us that.
Yeah, but I had a second phone too.
But you said also that you only communicated with Monica on one phone. Through
Yes.
the 1093 number. Remember you mentioned that
I did.
today and you mentioned that last week?
I did.
So which was it? You left your phone home because you didn't want to be tracked, or you took the phone with you so that you could be in communication with Monica?
Well, I had two phones.
Okay. Again, which one?
Well, I don't know. Well, the one if I'm talking to Monica, I'm using the 1093 number. So
Okay.
I'm thinking if I take the phone, I can't remember if I left it. I think I left it at home. I'm not sure. I can't remember.
So last week when you told the jury that you left your phone home so that you couldn't be tracked, was that the truth, a guess, or a lie?
I'm pretty sure I left it at home.
Pretty sure.
You're asking me stuff from 10 years ago. I don't
No,
know.
you brought it up on your direct, so I'm just asking you about it.
I'm letting you know the truth.
So when you told the jury in your official statement last week that you left your phone home again, were you telling them the truth?
I think I was.
Or did you
I
once
think I was.
again lie to them?
I think I was. If it wasn't,
Lied?
no, I
Lied?
think it was the truth.
Pretty sure it was the truth.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I don't remember. It's been a long time.
But you testified to that.
I know. I'm telling you. I'm going off my knowledge of what I remember, and which is hazy at best because it's so long ago. And you're asking for details for piles of paperwork, and I'm wanting me to pull out of my head. I can't do it.
Well, but you brought it up last week, so it came
I'm
out
trying to
of
answer the best I can, so I'm giving it to you.
Okay. So you believe you left your phone home, so you couldn't be tracked.
It would seem like that's what I would do.
Okay. So you wouldn't have been in communication with Monica when you went to the strip mall.
I don't think so.
Okay. And how long did it take you to get to the strip mall from your apartment with Austin?